Hey, this is Travis Kassab. Today we are talking about decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is one of the most mature product categories within the entire Web3 ecosystem, and we're going to be looking at the foundational dApps or protocols within DeFi, just to give you an idea of what DeFi is all about. Essentially, DeFi is like traditional finance. People want to grow their assets. They want to earn yield on their assets. In DeFi, they're earning yield on their crypto assets. Also, another important difference between DeFi and traditional finance is that DeFi removes the intermediaries like banks, brokers, and regular fintech companies, and makes it more of this peer-to-peer marketplace where people are earning yield on their crypto. So it's a very interesting field within the Web3 ecosystem, and there's a lot of experimentation that's still being done on it, but I'm going to again show you the foundational protocols within DeFi. So just to give you a quick summary right now, we're going to look at something called token swaps with decentralized exchanges. One of the most popular is Uniswap, so I can go from something like Ether to any of these other tokens that I want, and it allows me to swap. Also, we have something called MakerDAO, which allows me to deposit crypto into a vault and then take out a stablecoin loan, and I can use these stablecoins to make payments throughout the rest of the Web3 ecosystem. So it's a way for me to unlock value in my crypto collateral and mint stablecoins for payments. The next protocol we're going to look at is Compound. This is a lending and borrowing marketplace, so I can supply tokens into lending pools, and then borrowers can come and borrow tokens from these lending pools and pay me interest. Another is something called Yearn Finance. This is, you can think of it like an automated fund manager. So if I can give my money to Fidelity in the traditional finance world, and they have these professional investors who move my money around into different stock and bond funds to earn me yield. Well, Yearn Finance is doing this, except it's automating it with software in the DeFi world. So it's moving your tokens into different lending protocols or liquidity pools, which we'll get to later on in the next videos. And then finally, we're going to talk about DeFi dashboards. So everything I said before, there are these independent protocols, but DeFi dashboards bring everything together into one single UI, and this really streamlines the UX for the user. And last thing to say, this is the first wave of DeFi, or DeFi 1.0. In the last couple videos, I'm going to touch on what DeFi 2.0 is going to look like and some of the emerging protocols that are happening in DeFi 2.0 right now. Can't wait. Thank you guys.